Thank you for choosing CURT for your most important towing products. Did you know the Echo is one of the best-selling brake controllers on the market? Whether you're a seasoned towing expert or brand new to the world of towing, having the right information is essential to getting the job done safely and effectively. One thing is certain, safety is the #1 concern. The Echo brake controller is user-friendly, but setting it up correctly is critical to ensuring it functions properly. In this video, we will be troubleshooting what you can do if you are experiencing your trailer brakes locking up at slow speeds. If you have a situation where your trailer brakes are locking up at slow speeds, there is a calibration issue. Echo needs to calibrate correctly to function properly. We recommend disconnecting your trailer from the Echo and your Echo from the vehicle. This calibration issue can be caused by connecting the trailer wiring harness to the Echo before the Echo is connected to the vehicle. The proper and correct connection sequence is vehicle first, trailer second. This process is crucial to the success of Echo functioning properly. Try unplugging and replugging in that order. Plug in Echo to the vehicle's 7-way plug first, then plug the trailer's wiring harness to the Echo second. Remember, truck first, trailer second. Also, make sure your trailer's brakes have been serviced recently. Sticky brakes can cause this issue too. It's an easy mistake to make, but connecting the Echo properly, in the right order, can resolve trailer brakes from locking up at slower speeds. For more troubleshooting, subscribe to our channel for more support videos, or feel free to contact CURT's technical support team. Always tow safely.